Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to fix a ps4 controller drifting or not moving when you want it to. First thing you're going to do, I'm going to grab this. You're going to want to get a Q-tip or like one of these, and then you're going to want to push it forward and wipe around the outsides. And then on the other side you can do it whatever stick. So if this is your moving stick and this is your aiming stick, if you're aiming right or left, and if you're moving left or right, then you just do that. You can get rubbing alcohol also, but I don't have any of that on me right now. Also, another thing to do is whenever it starts doing it, it's gonna sound really gay, but you have to blow on this right here or on this, and you either blow on this or yeah, and it might work. And yeah, so thank you for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe.